In this video, I'll show you how to create 50,000 Flash USDT. So let's start. First, search Remix Ethereum on Google. Click on the first link remix.ethereum.org. This is the official Remix site. Now, accept, choose developing projects. So we will use this code to make our Flash. So copy the whole code. I have pasted the code link in the description. Click on create new file, name it usdt.sol, enter. Now paste the code, close it. Now go to Solidity compiler and choose the compiler version 0.6.6 and now click on compile usdt.sol. So we have compiled. Now go to deploy and run transactions and choose here wallet connect, and now click on connect wallet and connect your MetaMask wallet. Now type the password, unlock it, and now so our wallet is connected right now. So we have around 0.053 Ethereum, some extra to pay the gas fee, and 0.05 Ethereum to create 50,000 Flash USDT. Now type here the token name Tether and the token symbol USDT, and now click on transact. So now round the gas fee, do it 1, confirm it, and now confirm the transaction to deploy the contract. Okay, so close the extension and wait for a few seconds here. So we have deployed the contract successfully. Now copy the contract address. Okay, so copied, and now go to MetaMask and send your contract 0.05 Ethereum. Okay, so click on continue and then confirm. So our transaction has submitted. Okay, so transaction is complete. We sent 0.05 Ethereum to our contract. So wait. Okay, so the balance is showing right here on the remix, and now again click on start and round the gas fee, put 1 and confirm again. You can close the transaction right now. Okay, so close the extension. Okay, so okay, so it's complete right now. So click on withdrawal and round the gas fee again 1 and then confirm. Okay, confirm the transaction request. Okay, close the extension and now go to MetaMask wallet to check, and now go to tokens. Now click import tokens, search USDT here and choose the first one. Next, import. So we have imported the token USDT. This is very important step. So wait for few seconds to load the balance. Okay, so we have received 50,000 Flash USDT in our MetaMask. You can transfer it to Binance, and from Binance you can change the chain and transfer to Trust Wallet or betting site like Stake. or TG Casino and other supported platform.